How to draw a cookie. Welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little cookie with coloring pencils and markers. I'll show you how to do this step by step. This is an easy drawing lesson for kids, beginners, and kids of all ages.
Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Alphabet Soup, we choose a letter from the alphabet and we draw food that starts with that letter. So let's draw.
This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have my dollar store drawing pad here. It's 8.5 by 11 inches. I've got a pencil and an eraser. And I have an old paintbrush that I use to dust off my page. For color today, we're using coloring pencils and markers. We're actually using just one coloring pencil. This is the color of my cookie. This is called sand. Now you can use whatever color that you want for your cookie. I'm doing a chocolate chip cookie, so it's going to be this color. And for the chocolate chips, I'm going to use brown marker. I've got a little red marker, and I have black. And as usual, I always have my fine-tipped black marker for outlining. So why don't I clear off my page and we can start drawing our cookie. Now this is alphabet soup, so we're going to write out the word cookie. First, let's draw a capital C and then a small c, and let's write out the word cookie. So capital C, 2 O's, and we've got a K, an I, and an E. And that's how you write cookie. So let's take our pencil and we'll start drawing our cookie. Now, cookies are not always completely round, so you can draw a round shape, but don't worry at all if it's not perfectly round, okay? So now I'll draw the eyes right away so that we know where they are. I like oval eyes, and then a little oval or a big oval inside here for the pupils. And what we can do is draw the smile right away with a little tongue coming out the side because he's so delicious. And we can draw our chocolate chips. Now I'm just doing this here. Some around the edges. And then some chocolate chips all over. Let's put one there, it'll look like his nose. There we go. And we can put his arms and legs on later. We'll do some finishing touches later. Now what I'm going to do is outline with my fine-tipped marker. And I am going to erase my pencil marks. So I don't mind if I don't follow my pencil marks, like right there. That's okay, because I'm going to be erasing them. But it's good because it gives me an idea and an outline. And when I'm doing the outlining, I can actually fix what I want. Like I wanted to make that eye a little bigger. So I fixed it there with my fine tip marker. And we've got his smile and his tongue coming out and all the chocolate chips. It just got really sunny out. It's been overcast all day, and where I live right now, as I record this, it's winter here in Canada, and we had a huge snowstorm overnight, like huge. The wind was crazy. It kept me up almost all night, and boy, did I have a lot of snow to remove today. There we go. So there's our little cookie outline. Now I'm going to erase my pencil marks. When you're erasing, make sure that your marker is dry, okay? So you don't smudge everything everywhere. All right. Let's get rid of all those pencil marks. Now we can start putting some color in. The first thing I'm going to do is color in the cookie with that sand color. And I'm going to go over the whole cookie. I don't mind if I get the color into the chocolate chips, but I don't want to get any into the eyes or the tongue, okay? Because the chocolate chips are going to be brown and I'm using a marker, so it's darker than this sand color. And when you're using coloring pencils, always turn your pencil once in a while so that you don't wear it down all on one side and break the tip. And don't press down hard, you don't have to, and I'll show you why after, okay? We're just gonna do a nice, gentle, light layer of this color or whatever color you've chosen. You may have chosen a dark brown because you want a dark chocolate cookie with white chips or butterscotch chips. Ooh, that would be good. Or you may not have any chips at all in your cookie. What kind of cookie are you drawing? Oh, I just saw there's some pencil right there. Let's get rid of that. Okay. I thought about drawing an Oreo cookie, but I didn't know how. So I decided to just go for the chocolate chip. Maybe one day I'll teach myself how to draw an Oreo cookie. I wasn't sure how to get, you know, the 3 layers. Maybe one day I'll figure it out and I'll show you how to draw that. Don't forget to turn your pencil. All right, at this point, I'm going to take out my brown marker and I'm going to color in all the chocolate chips. And I'll explain why I'm doing that after. Let's just color in all those chocolate chips. Now remember, that's his tongue. That's not a chocolate chip. So we'll leave that for now. There we go. All the chocolate chips are colored in. Now I would like to color in another layer of the sand color. Now that's why I said we don't press down hard, because we're going to color it in a second time, and that means adding a second layer of color. And normally I would do that right away before I would have colored in the chocolate chips, but the problem with these coloring pencils is sometimes when you color in a second layer, it's hard to color marker over it, because these coloring pencils are made from wax. And you can tell if you go like this, it's very smooth. And sometimes, not all the time, it depends on the actual pencil, the marker won't color over it. So I wanted to make sure that we got all of the brown chips in, and I'm just kind of doing the second layer around the chips at this point. I'm not coloring over the chips, and I'm turning my pencil, because you see the difference between 1 layer and 2? 2 is much better. But in this case, I just wanted to make sure that we would be able to color in the chocolate chips well. You could do 2 layers and then try coloring in the chocolate chips with marker. It might work, but I'm just careful about that now because I've had times in the past when I've tried to do it and the marker doesn't stick on the paper just because the pencil that I used was too waxy. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're using markers and coloring pencils together. There are some coloring pencils that don't have wax in them, but most of them do. So just keep that in mind. Now we're just going around the chocolate chips. I'm going to be careful not to get any sand color, cookie color, into the tongue. And I'm turning my pencil, and I'm really, really not pressing hard at all. There we go. Oh, I'm glad I chose this color. It's a good color for the chocolate chip cookie, isn't it? So I'm turning my pencil once in a while. Careful around that tongue. There we go. All right, now I think I'm going to go ahead and do a 3rd layer. Color it in a 3rd time, just here and there where I think that the paper is showing through a little bit too much. I'm not going to do the whole thing. Just a real quick 3rd layer here. There we go. Okay, now the red Sharpie for the tongue. Now we can do the finishing touches. I've got my black Sharpie and I'm going to color in the pupils of his eyes. He's got really big eyes. This is a quick, fun little drawing today. There we go. Now I'll do this one. He's looking really nice. So I'm going to use my black Sharpie. I usually use my fine tip marker to do details, but because we have all these chocolate chips, I think if I use the fine tip, like the mouth kind of gets lost there. So I'm going to go over that with the Sharpie just to make it a little more obvious. And I'm going to outline the tongue too and give him some eyebrows. And I will give him some arms. He's waving hello to us. And maybe some legs, just like that. And there we go. That's our cookie, my friends. Now, don't forget to sign your work. I want you to be very proud of the beautiful work of art that you just created. I hope you had fun drawing with me and enjoyed this cozy art time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Rain Francis Art for Kids. Bye for now.